Did you hear that? It is not good for man to be alone.
God's right. Maybe we should spend our lives together. So...
Yippee! I do.
Sweet, man!
Yay! Now it's time for us to love each other! I can do that because I love lots of things. I love cheese. I love purple hippos. Oh! I love the Packers. I love to sing. La 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 la
Whoa.
la.
You can't love me like cheese. I'm not a block of cheese. The kind of love God's talking about is different.
What do you mean?
Well, when you love someone, sometimes you have to forgive them. You don't have to forgive cheese. If it gets moldy, you throw it out. If I disappoint you, you'll have to forgive me.
Oh, yeah. I don't want to throw you out.
Forgiveness means loving someone even when they hurt you. Will you forgive me when I hurt you?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Love doesn't fly off the handle when I lose my keys. And it doesn't keep score. You're good at forgiving me. Oh, you know what else love is? Love is joy. The joy of the Lord is my
You're
strength.
really good at sharing joy.
Joy is also delighting in God's truth and sharing that excitement with each other and the world. There's one more thing. Huh!
Oh,
Huh!
oh,
Huh!
oh.
Hope!
Yes, hope is believing in things that we cannot see.
Like our future together!
And we find that hope is God's love for us.
Not in cheese. We hope you delight in God's love too.
Go Bills!
Keep hoping.